Hi everyone, this is JJUNA OPPA. Today I'm going to explain the verb 있다, which is used just as often as 이다. The verb 있다 means that something exists or that someone is in a certain place. Simply put, it means there is or there are. So basically, 있다 means there is in English, even though there is isn't really a verb in English. In Korean, 있다 is used as a verb. Now let's see some examples. 고양이가 있어요. It means there is a cat. As you can see in this sentence, the verb 있다 is used with the verb ending 어요. 문제가 있어요. It means there is a problem. 아버지가 있어요. It means there is my father. Now let's look at how we use the particle 에 with the verb 있다. 에 is a particle that indicates time or place, and it gets attached to the noun. In English, it corresponds to in or at. So we have this grammar structure. Noun, 이가, place, 에, 있다. It means there is a noun, in or at, a place. 고양이가 집에 있어요. It means there is a cat at home. See, it follows the same structure. Noun, place, 에, 있다. The important part is that the particle 에 always comes after the location. 문제가 밖에 있어요. There is a problem outside. Same structure. 문제 is the noun and 밖 is the place. So we say 문제가 밖에 있어요. 아버지가 정원에 있어요. My father is in the garden. Again, remember that the particle 에 always comes after the place. Now, what if we want to add prepositions? First, let's learn some common Korean prepositions. 위, on, 아래, under, up, in front of, 뒤, behind, 옆, beside, 왼쪽, left, 오른쪽, right, 사이, between, 가운데, in the middle, 안, in and inside, 밖, out and outside. Now that we've learned some prepositions, let's review the grammar structure we mentioned earlier. Noun, 이가, place, 에, 있다, which means there is a noun in or at a place. To include a preposition, you can insert it between the place and the particle 에. So it becomes noun, 이가, place, preposition, 에, 있다. In English, this becomes there is a noun, preposition, a place. 고양이가 집 밖에 있어요. There is a cat outside the house. Here, 밖 is the preposition. It comes after 집 and before the particle 에. 피자가 접시 위에 있어요. There is a pizza on the plate. 위 is the preposition followed by 에. 아버지가 방 앞에 있어요. My father is in front of the room. 앞 is the preposition, and again, we use 에 after it. Lastly, let's talk about the second meaning of 있다. It can also simply mean to have in English. 저는 여자친구가 있어요. I have a girlfriend. Literally, it means that I have a girlfriend. 저는 자전거가 있어요. I have a bicycle. 시간이 있어요. Do you have time? You are simply asking if the person has time. Maybe not simply asking, he's flirting, I guess. The second usage of 있다 is pretty simple, right? Nothing too difficult. That's it for today's lesson, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Now let's move on to some practice questions. 쥐가 있어요. 맛있는 음식이 있어요. 멋진 콘서트가 있어요. 책이 책상 위에 있어요. 가방이 의자 옆에 있어요. 고양이가 소파 밑에 있어요. 의자가 테이블 사이에 있어요. 저는 귀여운 강아지가 있어요. 저는 돈이 조금 있어요. 저는 빚이 있어요.